Alright, so the first thing I worked on was the sliding doors, which I just showed you. The wire was hanging out, so I just lifted up the cover and then connected the wire and then put the cover back down. So pretty sure the cover is not ready to go down yet. I don't know who's putting the cover down, but it's not my problem. So it's like third thing I worked on was this wire. This, I don't even know what that is, but it got moved over like a foot. As you can see, the old things that were holding it up, it moved over, and then the pipe was too short and the wire didn't reach, so there was a disconnect box over here, so I moved it over to here and then rewired the machine right here. So that's just a disconnect switch. So I zip tied it and strapped it there, zip tied it all the way there, and then down the rod right there. So let me just get a better angle here for you. So that's what it looks like right there. So there's that, and then the second thing I worked on was piping this right here. Just nothing too crazy, just a little offset and a 90. And then I did the MC going down there into the garage door opener and wired that. And then the other one over here as well. Over here, so let me just get that there for you. Same thing, offset, and then you can't really see it. Offset right there, 90 box, and then MC. So it's kind of just a big warehouse, which is pretty sweet. So the MC going down the back and then into the side of the garage door opener. And then the last thing I was working on, which I was struggling on so bad, trying to 3-point saddle over this, and I just didn't get it, so probably be here tomorrow. So I don't know, we'll figure it out, but I have to go 3-point saddle over that, 90, and then 3-point saddle over something else. I think there's another 3-point saddle, and then I have to come down the wall and probably like 3-point saddle right there or something. So anyways, alright guys, I just want to give you a quick update. Hopefully you can hear me. I got the air condition on. It's like 80 degrees outside, or 90. It actually might be 90 for reals. So I got the air condition running, so hopefully that's not a problem for you guys, so you can hear me. But it was a really good first day. I really like the people. They're super nice. Everything went pretty smoothly until like the last hour when I had to 3-point saddle over that pipe, which just I could not get it, because I've probably like 3-point saddled like once or twice in my life, and one of them was like once like 7 years ago during a lab in apprenticeship school. So anyways, struggle bus was real. So other than that, everything went really great. I really like the job site. I was gonna say it'd be sweet if I was working there the last 9 months, because that looks like a pretty sweet job, a big warehouse, and being on lifts. I really like working on lifts and stuff, so except for when you have to drive sideways when you're up in the air. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Great first day for the most part, 7 hours, but started at 6 and got off at 2 o'clock, basically skipped lunch. Or, I mean, we had a break or whatever at 11, but that's kind of a long time to go from 6 in the morning to 11. But I wasn't hungry today, but hopefully it's not a problem tomorrow. But they're saying you can grab snacks or whatever. It's not a big deal. I don't think they really care. So if I get hungry, I can take lunch early or whatever. But it was good, and I just wanted to give you guys the update. And thanks for following along. I appreciate it, following me on this journey here. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a like and subscribe. I'd appreciate that. It helps me out tremendously. And shout out to all the turkeys who give me a thumbs down on every video. You guys are just, why even be here? I don't know. But anyways, thanks for the views. Haters make me famous. Alright, I will see you guys tomorrow. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. I will be back there tomorrow to try to finish that 3-point saddle, y'all. So wish me luck. God bless. See you later. You think you're cool with your 20,000 miles? Look at me with 220K, mate. You got nothing on me. Oh yeah, look at that, guys. That's sick. Let's go, Nessie. Yes, that's my girl. The real tank. How I afford my Corvette. All right, guys, one last thing I wanted to say at the beginning of the day. I was meeting the foreman, or the guy running the job site, aka the foreman. So at the beginning of the day, I was like, I recognized his last name, and I was like, "Do you have a brother?" And actually, I worked with his brother like, I don't know how long ago, a couple of years ago. But I worked for his brother. I worked with his brother for like 6 months out of town at this job site before. So I was kind of just set the mood for the day, just like kind of just took my anxiety away right off the bat that I'm already kind of like familiar with his family or whatever. So I don't know, it sounded weird, but anyway, so it was just cool. It was a pretty young guy, but just knowing that I worked with his brother just kind of set me in a good mood and just calmed me down. So it was good. So I just wanted to throw that out there, small world out there. So yeet.